When the wild turns hostile, only the toughest blades survived. We're diving into gear that's more than just sharp, it's built for the extremes. If you love serious steel and savage design, this lineup will blow your mind. All these product links are in the description below. Number 20. Morakniv Garberg. The carbon steel is a full-tang survival knife designed for toughness and reliability in the outdoors. It features a 4.3-inch carbon steel blade with a black oxide coating that enhances corrosion resistance and reduces glare. The blade's thickness and hardness provide excellent durability and sharpness retention. The ergonomic handle offers a secure grip with a finger guard and includes a lanyard hole for added versatility. This knife comes with a polymer sheath and a removable survival kit containing a fire starter, diamond sharpener, and reflective paracord, making it a well-rounded tool for bushcraft, camping, and survival situations. Number 19. Smith & Wesson SWHRT 9B. It's a rugged and reliable 9-inch fixed-blade knife designed for tactical and survival applications. It features a 4.7-inch dual-edged spearpoint blade made from high-carbon stainless steel, offering solid edge retention and corrosion resistance. The handle is wrapped in textured rubber for a secure grip and includes a protective guard for added control and safety. Its full-tang construction provides strength and durability, while the included sheath allows for versatile carry, whether on your belt or tucked into a boot. Affordable yet tough, the SWHRT 9B is a go-to blade for those who want dependable performance without breaking the bank. Number 18. NedFoss Kukri. This survival knife is a compact yet formidable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Featuring a 6-inch full-tang blade crafted from durable stainless steel, this knife offers robust performance for various tasks, from chopping and slicing to self-defense. Its ergonomic G10 handle provides a secure, non-slip grip, ensuring control even in challenging conditions. The knife comes with a custom-fit Kydex sheath, allowing for versatile carry options. Whether you're camping, hiking, or engaging in bushcraft activities, this survival knife is a reliable companion built to withstand the rigors of the wild. Number 17. Kizer 1048A3. Compact and versatile fixed-blade knife designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry. Featuring a 3.36-inch D2 steel blade, it offers a balance of edge retention and ease of sharpening. The ergonomic G10 handle ensures a secure grip, even in challenging conditions. This knife comes equipped with a durable sheath for convenient carry, making it an excellent choice for camping, hunting, or survival. Number 16. Survivor HK 6001. It's a budget-friendly fixed-blade survival knife with a 12-inch overall length and a 5-inch stainless steel blade. It features a bowie-style edge with a reverse sawback spine, making it suitable for light outdoor tasks like cutting, slicing, and basic sawing. The handle is rubberized or nylon fiber, offering a decent grip, and it comes with a molded sheath for belt carry. While the 3CR13 steel provides decent corrosion resistance, edge retention and durability are limited under heavy use. Number 15. Extrema Ratio Misericordia. Lightweight yet incredibly durable fixed-blade knife, crafted in Italy with precision and purpose. Its blade is made from high-performance Baller N690 steel, hardened to 58 HRC, and finished with a rugged stone-washed coating that resists wear while looking sleek. At 4 mm thick, the blade offers a perfect balance between cutting power and control. The fiberglass-reinforced nylon handle ensures a secure, ergonomic grip even in tough conditions, while the overall design keeps weight low for effortless carry. Ideal for both tactical and survival use. Number 14. SUSA 116. It's a beautifully crafted fixed-blade knife featuring a 4-inch blade made from 176 layers of 1095 and 15N20 Damascus steel, known for its strength and striking wavy pattern. Built with full-tang construction for maximum durability, it offers a comfortable and secure grip. Proper care, including keeping the blade dry and occasionally oiling it, will ensure it stays sharp and rust-free over time. This knife comes with a hand-stitched full-grain leather pancake sheath. Number 13. Sitivien Outdoor Knife. This fixed-blade knife is designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and survivalists. It features a full-tang construction, ensuring durability and strength. The blade is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, offering excellent edge retention and resistance to corrosion. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, enhancing control during use. Additionally, the knife comes with a durable sheath for safe and convenient carrying. Number 12. SOG Tech Bowie Knife. It's a durable, full-tang outdoor knife designed for survival, tactical, and bushcraft use. It features a 6.4-inch AUS-8 stainless steel blade with a tough black teeny coating for corrosion and wear resistance. The craton handle provides a secure, non-slip grip, even in wet conditions. Users appreciate its balance, edge retention, and overall reliability, though some report the fine tip may be prone to chipping under heavy use. It's a solid mid-range choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for performance without a premium price tag. Number 11. HX Outdoors Survival Knife. Durable fixed-blade knife made from D2 steel, offering excellent edge retention and wear resistance. It features a full-tang design with G10 or textured rubber handles for a secure grip in various conditions. The knife comes with a well-equipped sheath, often including a ferro rod, sharpener, and sometimes a whistle, making it a solid option for outdoor survival use. Users frequently praise its sharpness, build quality, and value for the price. While some report minor sheath rattle, it's generally considered a high-performing knife for its budget range. Number 10. Dispatch Knife. It's a rugged and ultra-sharp combat knife, built to outperform standard hunting and bowie knives. With an overall length of 12 inches and a 7.1-inch blade made from high-carbon stainless steel, it offers excellent hardness, edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. The blade is 0.12 inches thick and the knife weighs 14.4 ounces, making it both solid and manageable in the hand. Its classic rubber handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip, while the heavy-duty nylon and plastic sheath features an easy open fastening and belt hanging system for safe and convenient carry. Designed for hunters, campers, survivalists, and outdoor enthusiasts, this knife is built to last and makes an excellent gift for adventure lovers. Number 9. TONIFE Hercules Knife. This fixed-blade knife is a reliable and versatile tool designed for bushcraft, camping, and survival use. It features a full-tang 8CR14 MOV stainless steel blade that balances hardness, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. With a blade length of about 6.9 inches and an overall length of nearly 13 inches, it's well suited for a variety of outdoor tasks. The knife has a comfortable TPE handle that provides a secure grip, even in wet conditions, and comes with a durable polyester sheath for safe carrying. Its sharpness, solid construction, and good edge retention, making it a trusted companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 8. ESEE Expat Cleaver CL1. It's a sturdy, full-tang fixed-blade knife designed for heavy-duty outdoor use. With an overall length of 11.5 inches and a 5.5-inch blade that is 3.13 inches wide and 0.19 inches thick, it excels at chopping and splitting tasks. Made from 1095 high-carbon steel with a black stone-washed finish, the blade offers excellent edge retention and is easy to sharpen, though it requires regular care to prevent rust. The durable black G10 handle provides a secure grip even in tough conditions, and the knife weighs about 25.5 ounces. It comes with a leather sheath for safe and convenient carry, making it an ideal tool for campers, hunters, and survivalists who need a reliable, versatile cleaver for outdoor adventures. Number 7. BPS Knives B1. Compact and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable companion for camping, hiking, and survival tasks. Featuring a 4.3-inch 1066 carbon steel blade with a true Scandinavian grind, it offers excellent edge retention and precision for tasks like carving and food preparation. The full-tang construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic walnut handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Weighing approximately 5.7 ounces, the knife is lightweight and easy to carry, and it comes with a handmade leather sheath for safe storage and transport. The B1 CSH offers great value for those seeking quality craftsmanship without breaking the bank. Number 6. DRACHENADER Damascus Knife. It's a beautifully designed fixed-blade knife featuring a layered Damascus steel blade with a comfortable rosewood handle. It comes with a genuine leather sheath for safe carrying, while the blade is marketed with a VG10 core known for durability. Reviews on sharpness and edge retention are mixed, with some praising its light use capability and others noting issues. Overall, it's an attractive knife best suited for collectors, bushcrafting, camping, fishing, hiking. Number 5. ESEE JG5. Compact and versatile fixed-blade knife designed by James Gibson, inspired by the classic Nessmuck style carried by adventurer George Washington Sears. With an overall length of 9.625 inches and a 4.875-inch blade crafted from 1095 carbon steel, it offers a full flat grind and a stone-washed black oxide finish for durability and corrosion resistance. The burgundy linen micarta handle provides a comfortable grip, and the knife weighs approximately 5.3 ounces. It comes with a traditional brown leather pouch-style sheath, skillfully crafted in the USA. Number 4. WPKOPYA Hunting Knife. It's a 10.5-inch robust and stylish tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and those seeking a reliable companion for various tasks. Crafted from 440C stainless steel, the blade boasts a hardness of 58 to 60 HRC, ensuring durability and edge retention. The handle is made from yellow rosewood, providing a comfortable grip, and is reinforced with brass rivets for added strength. Accompanying the knife is a high-quality leather sheath, hand-sewn for durability and secure carrying. Number 3. Survival Knife with Kydex Sheath. It's a full-tang fixed blade designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Its 4.5-inch D2 steel blade offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The non-slip ABS handle ensures a secure grip, even in wet conditions. Additionally, the knife features a glass breaker for emergency situations. It comes with a durable Kydex sheath for safe and convenient carrying. This knife is perfect for anyone looking for a dependable and versatile tool, well suited for activities like bushcrafting, camping, hunting, fishing, and hiking. Number 2. Blank Adventurer. It's a full-tang blade designed for knife enthusiasts and DIY makers looking to craft their own custom knife. Made from durable 1066 high-carbon steel, it features a Scandinavian Scandi grind. The blank comes with pre-drilled holes for easy handle attachment and includes 3 brass pins for assembly. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling, and the blade's thickness ensures strength and versatility. This blank is perfect for those seeking a personalized project or a reliable base for a custom knife, or ideal for bushcraft, camping, and survival tasks. Number 1. Purple Dragon Fixed Blade Knife. Versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and tactical applications. Featuring a full-tang construction, the blade ensures durability and strength, making it suitable for various tasks such as camping, hunting, and survival situations. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, enhancing control and precision during use. Accompanied by a durable sheath, the knife offers convenient and safe carrying options. Whether you're an adventurer or a collector, this knife combines functionality with a sleek design, making it a valuable addition to your gear. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one did you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.